What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. In this video, I want to introduce our East Turkestan Republic Party's recent hashtag plan called SalamEastTurkistan. Stay tuned, guys. Let me quick introduce what is hashtag SalamEastTurkistan about. Alright, let's start from the Salam. Salam means hello for Muslim, for Uyghurs. Salam means hello. You can also understand Salam is Turkestan. And November 12th, what that means and why it is here. In the past, 1933 and 1944, two times at the exactly same date, November 12th, we built our East Turkestan twice. And in the same date, November 12th. That's why in November 12th, 2020, we want to celebrate. We want to remember how our ancestors tried to hold the land from the Chinese invader and built East Turkestan twice. Of course, we lost both of time, but we still admire, we still inspire from our ancestors' work. So we want, in the future, we can build our East Turkestan again. Because we need to survive. We need independence from Chinese invader. We need to survive, we need to live on this earth. That's the only way, only solution to live safely, to live freely. That's why we started this hashtag called Salam, hello, East Turkestan. If you believe Uyghurs will get their land back, will get their country back in the soon future, or you support Uyghurs get free from Chinese invader, and please follow our hashtag movement called SalamEastTurkistan. We would really appreciate it, and we will never forget what you did to Uyghurs. So the problem is how you're gonna do it, how you're gonna join or participate in this hashtag movement. It's simple and easy. All you have to do on Twitter, just type hashtag SalamEastTurkistan like this. Or if you want to make it more creative, so you can simply just bring your device, make sure you show up this page on your phone or on your iPad and hold it and take a picture. Just like this. Or if you have a printer nearby you, you can print this page and take a picture with it. Anywhere you want, any post you want, like this. You can be more creative. You can make a video. Hold the paper, hold our hashtag to make some nice and blessed video to Uyghurs, to the people who suffering the most in this world, in this century. So do you want to support Uyghurs get independent from Chinese invader and get their land back, get their country back? If yes, please join our hashtag movement. We will really appreciate you a lot. Yeah, if you think, oh, this is too complicated, I just prefer to write down something, type something. You're still fine. You just, all you need is just type hashtag SalamEastTurkistan. We really sincerely invited you to join our hashtag SalamEastTurkistan movement. And we wish you can post anything about Uyghurs, about East Turkestan, and with hashtag SalamEastTurkistan at the day of November 12th. Let's join the movement of independence of East Turkestan. We wish and we hope more and more people can join our movement, and we believe we will reach our goal very soon. And we know there's a lot of people supporting Uyghurs and they just don't know how to do. Let's start from this hashtag movement, guys. First, we need to say hello to the East Turkestan, then we will get our land back soon. So guys, please join our hashtag, and I will see you guys on Twitter.